Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody. Actually, right now, I think you can see a person behind me. Actually, he is my one of biggest English partner. And when I started my English journey, that time he helped me a lot, and I got many support, and I got a lot of support from him. Many person laughed at me, but he didn't do that, and that's why I'm really thankful to my this friend. Actually, it's just a pray for my this friend, because he didn't get any girl yet to marry. He wanna marry as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, just try to find a religious girl, and he is going to marry as soon as possible. Okay.
Respectfully insult.
No, no, no. Actually, I didn't insult you, buddy. You said me this. You wanna marry as soon as possible. Like, all right?
No, no, no.
No, no,
No.
no, no. You said me.
First, I should
Okay.
focus on my future.
So guys, I was just kidding. I wanna say you something in this video, which is, if you wanna learn English, if you wanna speak in English, then you have to find a partner and friend like him. He is my good friend, and he always supported me when I started my that journey. And in the beginning of my English journey, I was started my English journey by watching a video on YouTube, and that time my English was really awkward. I didn't know many things. Okay, so I have never known many things, and I made a lot of mistakes, but he continued supported me, and he didn't laugh at me. That's why I'm really thankful to him. Okay, and
Thank you
if
so much.
you okay, it's my pleasure, buddy. And if you want to learn English, just as soon as possible, find friends like him. And if you get this kind of friend, then it will be really easy to learn English. Okay, so that's the thing. And tomorrow I have. Actually, not only I have, we have, right?
Yeah.
Actually, tomorrow we have two practical exams, and that's why I have come to my friend's mess. Actually, his mess. This is not my mess, and I don't live here. I have come here to share my practical with him, because I have to write lot of practical, and this is a really dangerous, and it is going to be really pressure, and it is going to be really quite a challenge, and that's why I have come here to share my practical with him, and I optimistic that he will help me. Will you help me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so uh, just look at him and look at his face. He looks like innocent boy, but don't forget, he is not innocent boy. Actually, he's a game changer.
What did you say, brother?
No, no, no. Actually, I wanna say that he has a lot of girlfriends, right?
No,
No,
still I'm single.
still a single. So
But I have friends.
yeah,
I have some friends,
yeah.
but not I have any girlfriend. Still I'm single, and it should be long time.
Okay, so when are you going to marry?
It's after 2033.
2033.
Yeah.
Now it's 2025, and
Yeah, because I should focus on my career first.
okay.
Our dual admission is very important for us,
Yes, yes.
and if you want to get a degree in engineer,
BSc in engineering.
BSc engineering, there is only on engineering university for polytechnic student. So I should focus on my career for my better future, and if anything going to happen, that
Yes.
it should be unable to say that when I should get married.
Okay, so
But it's my opinion that I would be married one 2022, 2032 or 2030. Yes.
32, 30. But
Yeah.
you said me before a while you have to, you are going to marry 2033. So
That's
it's, I think it's very long and it's going to be so far.
okay. That will be after 2030.
2030.
30.
Okay,
I
so
should
okay,
take 5 years
okay, okay.
for my future.
So this is your promise.
Promise that's not like that. If my
You
family
know,
get
this video I will upload my. You know, this video I will upload on my Facebook and YouTube page, YouTube channel and Facebook account. So just say honestly, okay? Because this video will watch a lot of people, okay? And I am going to ask you these questions in 2020. What did you
2030.
say?
2030.
2030. Okay, so 2030 I am going to ask you this question, okay?
Okay, but you know that married is only what can I say? Married. I don't like married because
Why?
because I enjoy my bachelor life. It's a very important part in our life. That's why
Come.
it